Another bond energy calculation here. 3 stages to bond energy calculations. First thing you need to do, calculate bond breaking energy. After that, we need to calculate bond making energy. All chemical reactions, you have to break bonds first and make bonds second. And the final stage is break minus make. Okay, whatever the bond breaking is, we subtract the bond making from it. So to start with, bond breaking. Bond breaking, these are the reactants over here. Before we have to do anything, we have to break these bonds. Carbon double bond carbon first. I've got 1 times carbon carbon bond. Carbon carbon bond is 614 kilojoules per mole to break one mole of those. So 614 because there's only one of them. Next, I've got 1 carbon hydrogen, 2, 3, 4. 4 times carbon hydrogen bonds. 4 times 413. Carbon hydrogen 413 equals 1652. Next, so that's all of the ethene bonds broken. Now we've got this chlorine bond here to break. Chlorine bond 242, and there's one of those. 1 times Cl. So that's 1 times 242 equals 242. Now we need to add all those bond breakings up to get our total for bond breaking. So 614 plus 1652 plus 242 equals 2508. So that's our bond breaking. So that can immediately go into stage 3 here. Our bond breaking is going to be 2508 minus. Now we need to calculate the bond making to put there. So bond making, I've got a carbon-carbon single bond there to start with. So 1 times carbon-carbon single bond. A carbon-carbon single bond, 348. So 1 times 348 equals 348. I've got 1 carbon hydrogen, 2, 3, 4. So 4 times carbon hydrogen, so that's 4 times 413, and that's 1652. Now I've got 1 carbon chlorine, 2 carbon chlorines, 2 times carbon chlorine. Carbon chlorine 328, 2 times 328 equals 656. So let's add all those up. So 656 plus 1652 plus 348, 2656. 2656 is our bond making. So this was our bond making total. So final stage, break minus make. 2508 minus 2656 equals minus 148 kilojoules per mole. In fact, it's negative, tells you it is exothermic. If it's positive, it's endothermic. All these calculations on elsham-high chemistry.com.